Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Robux to your Roblox account. So for special effects, character add-ons, game add-ons, you are required to have the platform's currency, which is Robux. To make this purchase, it is super quick and easy. After you're logged in and you're on your home page, at the top right corner, you'll navigate to this Roblox icon. When you click it, there will be a drop-down menu. Click Buy Robux. You have options to purchase any package. If you're a premium gamer, there are packages that suit your needs. We are going to pick the regular 400 Robux. It will then take us to the payment page, where you pick a payment method. I will choose debit card. After you fill in all your details, click Pay. You shall receive a confirmation email and your Robux will be made available to you within 5 minutes.